Now we are going to tackle problem 3 on the practice exam, which is a ferocious and terrifying problem. I might put an easier one on the actual exam. Okay, so what we're going to do is this thing where we find the intervals of increase and decrease, find local maximum and minimum values, and concavity. And so this, the fact that we use is f is increasing. This is just a continuous function, right? So it's increasing on AB, and since this is differentiable and nice, this is happening if and only if. It's always if, but since this is a differentiable everywhere function, it's if and only if f prime of x is positive on AB. Okay, and we have all kinds of other facts like this, one for decreasing too, right? So f is decreasing on the interval, and use this if makes a nice Scrabble word. The derivative is negative on that interval. Okay. So those are the facts that we're going to use to look at this first question here. Alright, so to know whether the derivative is positive or negative, you need to know what the derivative is. So let's find the derivative. So let's see. F prime of t is equal to 1 minus sine t. Okay, excellent. Now let's see what we're going to do here. Let me just draw a picture of a line. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to find the roots of f prime. And there are going to be several of these, okay? And after we find these roots, we'll just check and see whether the curve is above the line between the roots or below. Okay, so it can only change sign at one of these roots. So once we find the roots of the derivative, all we have to do is check the sign on the intervals that the roots make. Like, the roots make this interval and then they also make this interval. Okay, so on these intervals between the roots, the sign of the derivative is just fixed. It can't change. And so we'll just see what it is on those, and that's how we will find these intervals of increase and decrease. The first thing we need to do is find all the roots to 1 minus sine t equals 0. So you can see that this is the same thing as sine t equals 1.